Hey guys, so I decided to make a pull-up bar so I can beef it up for the summer, and a friend of mine suggested that I make all of it out of steel pipe, and I thought, dang, that's a good idea. And it's portable too. So I'm gonna give this a shot and you can watch me do it. I got all the pipe and fittings from Fleet Farm and it cost me around $100. I was already at the cashier at the checkout station when I realized it's gonna cost me $100. But at that point I was already committed, so I was like, what the heck, might as well. But if I would have done just 2 wooden posts, cement, and a bar, that probably would have cost me half the price. You know how they say Hind Vision's 20/20. And before I begin, for anybody who's interested, the pipes that I got are 2 6-foot pipes, 3/4 inch in diameter. The bar pipe is 4 feet long and 1 inch in diameter. And 2-foot pipes, I got 6 of those, and these are gonna be 3/4 inch diameter. I also got a bunch of fittings. I got elbows that transition from 3/4 inch to 1 inch. I got 3/4 inch T's, 3/4 inch couplings, and some end caps. And all I'm gonna be using to put all that together is 2 channel lock pliers, and I'm not a plumber, so I have no idea how not to leave bite marks on the pipes or slip marks. So I'm gonna try just taping these channel locks and hopefully not make any marks on them, because I am planning on leaving this thing outside, so I don't really want it to rust the very next season. So without further ado, let's begin. So, a quick intermission later, I just came from Ace Hardware, and do you see a difference? Yeah, I was stupid enough to get this, which is 3/4, 3/4, and 1/2 inch on top, where I was supposed to get 3/4 all the way around. So I went and purchased that real quick, and now I'm back, and we can continue with the fast-forwarded scene. Oh, almost forgot. The tape is pretty useless. As you can see, the teeth bite right through it, and I'm still leaving bite marks everywhere. So hopefully it's not gonna rust on me. But if you have any better ideas, let me know in the comments below. Well guys, how do you like my hands? I'm finally done with my beautiful creation here. It's not as steady as I wished it was. When I tried it at first, it was on the hill, so when you jump up, it almost starts like tipping over. So I moved it over to a flatter area, and it's not as bad. You can do pull-ups on it, but I'm thinking for more stability, I might have to make the base into a full square, not just the 2 stands. But for now, this will do just fine. And aside from the balancing aspect, everything else is nice. I mean, the bar is awesome, and it actually looks pretty nice. And for those of you that are interested, I'll go ahead and take a close-up video quick so you can see what it looks like up close. And that is all I had for you. Thanks for watching me put that thing together. If you go ahead and attempt something like this as well, and yours turns out way better than mine, I would love to know about that. Please let me know in the comments below, and maybe I will remodel mine after yours. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to mash that like button on your way out, and until next time, stay strong.